To react to messages on the Samsung Galaxy A57, it only works when you are using the Google Messages application. For a Samsung one, it's unfortunately not supported. So this is something that I want to mention. And now you will have to open your conversation, click and hold any message and add reaction. Now, after just a few seconds, as you can see, you can find this reaction on this second phone, basically on this receiver. If you're gonna take it out, then it will also disappear from this second phone. And what if it is not working? Well, it means that you didn't enable RCS, or receiver or sender didn't actually enable RCS. It's available here. When you tap on your Google account, go to the messages settings, click here, and now you find this. You have to make sure that both of your SIM cards are connected with RCS. And this is the only way to actually react to the messages on your phone.